channel. I'm Emma, and today we're doing something really cool. We're going to talk about how you can learn to speak English fluently just by watching videos. I totally get that. Books are helpful, but they don't teach you how people actually speak. That's why watching videos, movies, YouTube clips, interviews, even TikToks can be one of the best ways to learn English naturally.
You know, Emma, this topic is honestly perfect for me because I've tried to learn English by reading books and memorizing grammar rules, but it's boring.
Well, not exactly. It's not just about watching, it's about how you watch. Most people just sit back and watch for fun, but if you want to learn, you have to be active.
Really? So, you are saying I can just watch Netflix and call it studying? I like this method already.
You can. But between bites, you need to pay attention to how people speak, their tone, their expressions, and how they use words in context.
Okay, so I can't just eat popcorn and chill.
It just means the situation. For example, if someone in a movie says, "I'm done with this," you can tell from their face or voice whether they're angry, tired, or joking. That helps you understand the emotion behind the words.
Context, that's a fancy word.
Exactly. English is full of emotions and expressions. And when you watch, you start learning how to sound natural.
So, it's not just about words, it's about feelings too.
That's completely normal. At first, it feels impossible. But here's the trick. Don't try to understand every single word. Watch the same clip again and again. The first time, just listen. The second time, turn on English subtitles. Then, pause after each sentence and repeat aloud.
You know, that reminds me. The first time I watched the show Friends, I didn't understand anything. Everyone was talking so fast.
Exactly. It's called shadowing. You become like their shadow. You repeat right after them, matching their rhythm, accent, and tone.
So kind of like copy what they say.
Go for it.
Okay, so if Joey says, "How you doing?" I should say, "Ryan imitating Joey, how you doing?"
Perfect. You see, that's not something you'd learn from a textbook. But when you hear it and say it out loud, you start to feel how English flows.
I have to admit, that's kind of fun. It feels like acting.
It is acting. When you mimic, your mouth and tongue start getting used to English sounds. That's why it's such a powerful method.
But what if I don't have time to watch full shows or movies?
Good question. You don't need long videos. Even a 2 or 3 minute clip can teach you a lot. Watch an interview, a vlog, a short news clip, anything that keeps you interested. The key is consistency.
So, instead of scrolling social media for an hour, I can watch one English clip every day.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference if you're paying attention.
Alright, but Emma, here's my problem. I hear new words. I think, wow, that's cool, and then I forget them 10 minutes later.
We've all been there. The trick is to use the new words immediately. For example, if you hear the word excited, say it in your own sentence.
Like, I'm excited to watch more of Emma's videos.
That's a great one. When you use the word in your own life, your brain remembers it faster. You can even write it in a notebook, not just the word, but the whole sentence.
Okay, so I'll make a cool words notebook.
Yes. And read it out loud. Don't just write, speak. Hearing your own voice helps a lot with pronunciation.
Speaking of pronunciation, that's tough for me. I can write pretty well, but when I talk, my tongue gets confused.
That's completely normal. English has sounds that don't exist in other languages. But you can train your mouth by listening and repeating, just like when babies learn to speak.
So I need to be like a baby again.
Yes, in a way. Babies don't study grammar. They listen, repeat, and imitate. You can do the same. Choose a short video, listen to one line, pause, repeat. Focus on how your mouth moves.
That's a cool technique. Actually, sometimes when I repeat lines from movies, my pronunciation sounds better than when I just talk normally.
Exactly. Because when you repeat natural speech, you're copying real intonation and rhythm. English isn't just about the words, it's about music. Every sentence has rhythm, stress, and melody.
Like singing.
Kind of. For example, say, do you want to go? Normally, people don't say it word by word. They say, do you wanna go? Emma, yes, that's called connected speech. When you listen to enough videos, you start recognizing it naturally.
So that's why I couldn't understand native speakers. They connect the words.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you speak, the faster you improve.
Okay, I am starting to see how this works. You learn like a child, listen, repeat, copy, and use.
That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. In fact, every mistake you make teaches your brain something new.
I remember once I told my friend, I'm boring, when I wanted to say, I'm bored. She laughed for 10 minutes.
Never try to be perfect. Try to be confident. Even if you know only simple words, say them proudly. Confidence makes your English sound better instantly.
You know, Emma, this actually makes English feel fun again. Before, I always felt nervous, like I had to be perfect.
Exactly. Watch videos you love, not just lessons. Watch cooking shows, sports, blogs, anything you enjoy. When you like what you watch, your brain learns faster because it's happy.
So true. I guess the secret is to enjoy the process, not just chase perfection.
Perfect. And here's one more challenge for everyone watching. After this video, go watch a short English clip, maybe from your favorite movie or YouTuber. Listen, repeat, and comment below what new phrase you learned today.
That's a great tip. You know what? From now on, I'm going to watch one English video every day, listen carefully, repeat lines, and write new words.
Exactly. Remember, learning English doesn't happen overnight, but every small effort counts. Watch, listen, speak, and enjoy the journey.
Yes. And don't forget to practice your "How you doing" with confidence. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.